the block is bare block. The order is for bare block. Then this upper block, this lower block, and this block, they are separate for 1 ton capacity, half ton capacity, and 1 ton, 2 ton capacity. This upper block is assembled down the block. But in case of 5 ton block, 5 ton, 7.5 ton, 10 ton, and above, their upper block and lower block are separate. They are packed separately. Now we'll see the chain insertion of this 2 ton chain tube block. For 2 ton chain block, it is 2-4. So now we'll review the chain and insert the chain. How that can be inserted, that we will check. This is the load chain of the hoist. We have to see this is the 2-pole hoist. That means this will come from the load chain wheel and goes through the load chain wheel of the lower block, and then this will be fitted here. That will be fitted in the upper block. So we'll start that. So we have to see that this is the vertical link, and here also vertical link is required. So we'll fix the vertical link like this, and then we'll insert the chain through the load chain wheel. For that we require any string or any wire. Now we are using the wire for the inserting the chain. Now we'll take this lower block. Here also we have one load chain wheel. This chain will go through this load chain wheel, and that will be fitted on this suspension pin. And make sure that there should not be any twist. It should not be like this. This should not be twisted. This vertical link should be in one line only. And we have to ensure that there is no twist in the chain. See, now there is no twist in the chain. This is the vertical link. This is the vertical link. This is also in the same line. And again, this will be the loose end. This is the loose end, and we have to put it like this and pull the chain up to the end, and we have to fix the end of this side plate of the block. Here also we should take care that there is no twist in the chain. Okay, now we'll fit the hand chain of the hoist already fitted, and this is the outer protecting cover. I will show you this is the spur gear. This is intermediate gears. This is also one intermediate gear, and this is the counter shaft gear inside. This is the counter shaft gear inside, and these two intermediate gears are mounted, there are O mark on this. On this per gear, this is part number 31. There is O mark on this. And when we are fitting these two gears with the pinion, that time we have to take care that if one O is near to the pinion, another O is opposite to the pinion. One O of this gear is near to the pinion, and another O of this other gear is opposite side of this pinion shaft. Okay, there are odd gears, and there in some cases there are odd gears, odd teeth, and even teeth. In this case, it is odd teeth. In case of this odd teeth, the center of this O is here. Then another center of this teeth is 2 teeth away from the center. The one is O is here. Another O is 2 teeth away from the center. And in one that is even teeth, the O is here for HF4 block, and another O is in the center only, opposite to the pinion, like this. This should be the arrangement for the assembly of the gear. And this is the 4 hole, and all instructions are given. Do, don't do, that instructions are given in the instruction manual. All part lists are given in the instruction manual, and even the maintenance manual is also in the instruction manual. So refer the instruction manual carefully before the mounting of the chain pull block or repairing of the chain pull block. This is all about the chain pull block.